What if I told you that a tiny $5 oil filter could be silently destroying your engine, while a $20 filter could keep it running strong for hundreds of thousands of miles? It sounds crazy, but it's true. Some cheap filters let unfiltered oil bypass straight into your engine, grinding down pistons, camshafts, and bearings from the inside out. One mechanic even tore open 15 popular Amazon filters, and discovered that half of them had cardboard cores, not metal. Yes, cardboard protecting your engine. So, what really sets a premium filter apart? Is it just the brand name, or are you paying for engineering that can save you thousands on a rebuild? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which filters protect your engine and which ones are secretly destroying it. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss expert tips to keep your car running longer, smoother, and stronger. Number 1. Why the oil filter is more important than you think. Let's be crystal clear. Your engine oil is only as good as your filter. Even the most expensive synthetic oil in the world is ineffective if your filter can't capture the microscopic particles circulating in your engine. Every time you drive, your engine produces tiny metal shavings from wear, carbon deposits from combustion, soot, and dirt that sneak past seals. Without proper filtration, these particles swirl endlessly like sandpaper inside your engine. The oil filter's job is simple but crucial. Trap contaminants as small as 20 microns, smaller than a human hair, but here's the catch. Not all filters are created equal. Cheap filters may only capture particles larger than 40 microns and can fail under high oil pressure. When that happens, your engine goes into bypass mode, letting unfiltered oil circulate to maintain pressure. Every second that occurs accelerates engine wear. Number 2. What you're really paying for. Let's look under the hood, literally. A typical oil filter has 4 key components. Outer shell protects the filter from external pressure. Filter media, the material that traps debris. Bypass valve, opens if the filter clogs to prevent oil starvation. Anti-drainback valve, keeps oil from draining out when the engine is off. Here's where the difference shows. Cheap filters often use cardboard or paper end caps and thin cellulose media. Premium filters use metal end caps, synthetic or microglass media, and high-tension silicone valves designed to last tens of thousands of miles. Why does this matter? Synthetic filters can trap 2 to 3 times more contaminants without clogging, maintaining oil pressure consistently over the full drain interval. A 2023 study by Automotive Research and Testing Labs, ARTL, found that premium synthetic filters retained 99% filtration efficiency at 20 microns, while economy filters dropped to 68% efficiency after just 3,000 miles. That means nearly a third of harmful debris bypassed the cheap filter and continued circulating in your engine. Number 3. The hidden danger: filter collapse and bypass mode. Here's something few mechanics mention: filter collapse. Inside every filter is a pleated paper or synthetic element. Under high pressure, like during cold starts or heavy acceleration, cheap filters can collapse internally. This flattens the pleats, blocking oil flow. When this happens, the bypass valve activates, allowing unfiltered oil to flood your engine bearings. This silent failure explains why most camshaft bearing issues in long-mileage engines occur in vehicles using cheap filters. The oil pump did its job, the filter failed quietly. One dramatic example comes from Project Farm, which tested a Fram Extra Guard filter under 150 degrees Fahrenheit at 80 psi. The filter literally crushed under pressure, while a Mobil 1 extended performance filter remained intact. That difference can mean the gap between 200,000 miles of reliable performance and a dead engine at 90,000 miles. Number 4. Cheap versus expensive. Inside the filter cut open comparisons reveal the truth. A mechanic dissected 12 top-selling oil filters, budget filters, rebranded generics, thin media, cardboard or paper end caps. Premium filters, pleat reinforcement, metal backing mesh, thicker silicone valves. These upgrades prevent oil starvation during cold starts and maintain full pressure under extreme conditions. It's not marketing fluff, it's engineering that protects your engine. Number 5. How cold starts kill engines. Did you know 80% of engine wear occurs at startup? Here's why. When you shut off the engine, gravity pulls oil back into the sump. If your filter lacks a quality anti-drainback valve, oil drains from the filter as well. When you start the engine, it takes precious seconds to rebuild oil pressure. During that window, your pistons, bearings, and cam lobes run dry. Over months and years, this leads to serious wear. Premium filters like Wix XP, Mobil 1, and Bosch Premium have silicone anti-drainback valves. They hold oil in place so pressure builds instantly at startup. High-mileage engines using these filters run smoother and avoid the dry ticking noises that cheap filters often produce after sitting overnight. Number 6. Do expensive filters really last longer? Let's break down mileage. Economy filters, 3,500 to 5,000 miles max before clogging. Mid-tier synthetic blend filters, around 7,500 miles safely. Premium microglass filters, up to 15,000 miles or the full life of extended synthetic oil. Modern synthetics like Mobil 1 EP or Amsoil Signature Series are designed for 15,000 miles but only if paired with a premium filter. Otherwise, bypass mode kicks in mid-interval, circulating unfiltered oil while you think your engine is protected. That's why brands like Toyota, Honda, and GM specify premium synthetic filters for extended oil change programs. Using cheap filters on extended intervals doesn't save money, it quietly shortens your engine's lifespan. Number 7. What mechanics really say? Veteran mechanics agree. It's not brand loyalty, it's build quality. A retired GM master tech noted, "Every failed bearing I replaced had one thing in common: cheap filters or skip changes." The oil wasn't the problem. It was the filtration. Another technician testing over 100 filters added, "If it weighs less than half a pound, it's probably junk." Lighter filters mean less media, weaker valves, thinner metal. Fun fact: some top filters like Wix XP and Mobil 1 are manufactured by the same companies supplying OEM filters for heavy-duty diesel engines. Professionals trust them, even on performance builds. Number 8. Counterfeit filters, the silent engine killers. Fake oil filters are everywhere online. They mimic brand name products with identical logos, packaging, and even barcodes. But internally, they're dangerous: thin, easily dented casings, brittle valves that crack after a few heat cycles, poor quality media that fails under pressure. Engines running on fakes often suffer low oil pressure, premature wear, or catastrophic failure. How to spot a fake? Wait, counterfeit filters are usually lighter. Base plate holes, uneven or poorly drilled. Gasket quality, rough or poorly molded. Always buy from verified dealers. A mechanic warned that fake filters can reduce oil pressure by 30%. Enough to destroy turbos or bearings in just a few thousand miles. Number 9. The real cost of cheap versus premium filters. Let's talk numbers. Suppose you drive 12,000 miles per year and change oil every 6,000 miles. Cheap filter, $6 each and $12 per year. Premium filter, $15 each and $30 per year. That's only an $18 difference annually, less than a tank of gas. Now consider the risk. A failed bearing or oil starvation could cost $3,000 to $7,000 to repair. For the price of a pizza, you protect your car's most expensive component. An automotive engineer at Lubberall Research put it perfectly. A filter isn't a cost. It's an insurance policy. The best ones only cost a few dollars more. Number 10. Filters the pros actually use. Top mechanics consistently recommend. Wix XP WX Platinum, heavy duty, 99% efficiency. Mobil 1 extended performance, microglass, ideal for synthetic oils. Bosch Distance Plus excellent flow and particle capture. K&M N Performance Gold high flow, perfect for turbo engines. Purolator 1 Boss great balance of efficiency and availability. Filters to avoid include budget lines like Fram Extra Guard, SDP, and generic house brands. They perform okay short term but fail under heat or long intervals. Number 11. What kind of owner are you? Ask yourself, do you treat your car as an investment or just transportation? Every choice, including a $5 filter, reflects your approach. Owners using premium filters don't do it for bragging rights. They understand preventive maintenance is about longevity. High-mileage engines exceeding 200,000 miles almost always used consistent oil changes with high-quality filters. It's not luck, it's habit. Drop a comment below. What filter brand do you use? Team cheap or team premium? Let's see which side wins. Cheap filters might save a few dollars today, but they cost years of engine life tomorrow. Premium filters are engineered with better materials, tighter tolerances, and longer lifespans. Your oil change is only as good as your filter. If you truly care about your engine, invest in filters that match your car's engineering, not your wallet's mood. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our car care crew for more tips, tricks, and expert guides to keep your engine running smoother for longer.